Are you a highly motivated B.Tech undergraduate engineering student in any branch, ready to unlock the future with artificial intelligence and machine learning? If you're within commuting distance of IIIT Hyderabad, this is your chance. Join the 24-week student training program at IIIT Hyderabad starting April-May 2025 and gain in-demand AIML skills to stand out from the crowd. What's in it for you? A perfect blend of theory and hands-on tutorials to master AIML concepts. Weekend classes on Sundays designed to fit seamlessly into your schedule. Learn from IIIT Hyderabad's expert faculty and industry professionals. Work on real-world projects and build a strong AIML foundation. Network with like-minded peers and earn a certificate of competency upon successful completion. Classes start this April. Don't miss your chance to be part of this transformative journey. Register now using the link in the bio. Seats are limited. For more details, visit IHub-Data.ai. Your future in AI starts here. Are you ready?